So a few months ago, I was just hanging out with Andrew Tate on my private yacht, and we were waiting for Drake to come so we can fly out to Dubai to meet up with, I don't know, Zoolander. And then I was gonna join the top 1% men club. Halfway there on a private jet to Dubai, I remembered, oh damn, I forgot the keys to my Bugatti. And then I woke up. And I was like, don't worry, we're gonna get there soon. So I made 2 videos about basic simple habits that you can do to start your self-improvement. But now it's about time to make a video about some advanced habits that are gonna get you to join the top 1% men club. The first habit is gonna be something pretty popular in this self-improvement space, and many YouTubers talk about it, and you probably have heard of it, and it's called NoFap. If you don't know what NoFap is, it's this thing when you just, you know, you just kind of don't touch your pee-pee. NoFap is when you don't masturbate and when you don't watch pornography, because these things have proven to be really bad for your mental health. Masturbation lowers your testosterone, and as a man you need a lot of testosterone. And pornography hurts your overall mental health. It can cause depression, it can cause anxiety, it can severely lower your confidence and your self-esteem and your self-respect, and even change the way you look at women and the way you interact with women. And that's just to name a few things. So overall, pornography and masturbation is really bad for you, but I know stopping it is not as easy. I think NoFap is the most difficult thing that I have ever done in my life. It's really not easy, it's really not simple, but you should really consider doing it because it can make big changes in your life. The second habit is dopamine detox. Well, this dopamine detox thing is, some people talk about it as like 24 hours challenge without a phone. Well, 24 hours is not gonna do much. Do dopamine detox is this like a long-term thing where you get away from your phone, your computer, and you just get away from technology. You delete social media, you stay away from playing video games too often, you stay away from watching TV too often, movies, anime, whatever. Just lower your screen time as much as possible. And instead of these things, you do the third habit, developing a useful skill. This can be either sports, this can be entrepreneurship, this can be marketing, this can be a thing for business, this can be something that will earn you money or earn you physical health. For example, you can join a kickboxing team or football or whatever sport you like, or you can read books and learn how to do business and how to earn money online and whatever. This can help you long term in your life. This can make you a millionaire maybe. Instead of spending your time using social media, playing video games, watching anime that will bring you nothing in life and that will just hurt you mentally, you can use that time you were about to spend on that to develop a really useful skill that can help you for the entire life. For example, reading a business book and implementing that to make a business, or maybe make a YouTube channel just like I'm doing right now. And then if you want to use the argument that it can be useless, maybe this skill will not bring me anything in life, well, what is social media gonna bring you in life? What is video games gonna bring you in life? You're not losing anything, you're just replacing something useless with something that can be useful. These are the 3 advanced self-improvement habits that can help you get a long way in life. So if you like the video, you can press the like and you can subscribe. Maybe check out another one of my videos if you like this one. I'm a small self-improvement channel that's trying to help you with your self-improvement journey. So if you consider these videos useful, maybe stick out for more. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.